Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial video for the Music Memos play-along of Scarborough Fair. Again, the Music Memo videos are not official recordings. They're things that I've made, and then I ask Apple's Music Memos app to provide the accompaniment with bass and percussion. So it doesn't always line up perfectly, and that's okay, but it does give you a chance to play along with something that has a beat, and it's kind of fun to do. So you can also find the chord chart for this song in two places. It's available on ukestuff.info as an actual lead sheet where you have the actual music notation and then the chords written. And it's also available as a what we call a tab or chord chart at ukutabs.com. The links are below if you want to look for it. So let's take a look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. The first chord is the D minor chord. Then you've got the C chord, you have the G chord, you have the A chord, and you have the F chord. And those are the 5 chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE baritone ukulele. The first chord is the D minor chord. Then you've got the C chord. Then you've got the G chord. Then you've got the A chord. And then the only hard chord on baritone, which is the F chord. Now, some secrets with the F chord. First of all, if you're holding your ukulele tightly, firmly might not be the right word, but firmly with your right hand, you can pull against the neck with your first finger right at that first metal fret, not on it, but right behind, as if you're going to launch something off your ukulele. Then you can just brace yourself with your thumb. You don't have to squeeze, you can just brace yourself, and then you'll get a clear sound on those top 2 strings. Practice that, and then add the other fingers. So the real secret is just pulling against the fretboard and letting gravity and the laws of physics do their work, and that's the F chord. And those are the only chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele on this version of the song. So when it comes to this song, I wanted sort of a driving beat. I know it can be done as a ballad, and I'll show you some examples of that in just a second. But for my recording and for what I did with the Music Memos app, it's just down, down, up, down, up, down. It's in 3, but I did it faster. Almost sort of like a sea shanty, even though I know it's not. D minor to C, that's such a great sound. Kind of fun to play. Now, if you don't want to do that, obviously you're not going to want to play along with that recording because that's how I play it all the way through. Down, down, up, down, up, down. But if you want to do some other things, some finger picking might be really nice with a ballad. And if you're going to do that, what I often suggest, and I steal this from Mike Lynch, who has passed away for a couple of years now, but his videos are still there to guide us, and he talks about using fingers 1, 2, and 3 on strings 4, 2, and 1. So I do that picking pattern, 1, 2, and 4, but then I do thumb on 3, first finger on 2, second finger on 1, first finger on 2, and then do it again. You go real slowly. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and it would sound like this with a song that slow. It'd be like, are you going to Scarborough Fair? You can also take it a little faster if you wanted to. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? You can do either one of those. You can have lots of fun with picking and trying it, but for this song I just wanted that driving more of. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? And quite honestly, that's it. So that strumming pattern, those 5 chords all together work really well to make it a beautiful old folk song. So thanks for watching the video. Be back with more Music Memos versions of songs and other material in the weeks to come. So we'll see you soon.